Microsoft 365 Copilot Cowork can carry out tasks on your behalf. You describe what you need, and Cowork sends emails, schedules, meetings, creates documents, and posts in Teams, and manages your calendar. And you approve each action before it happens. Copilot Chat tells you what to do, but Copilot Cowork does it for you. So this is what we're going to talk about today. What is Copilot Cowork? So here you can see we have Cowork here, and this is the chat. This is M365 chat, and once if you click here in the Cowork, you can find the capabilities of the Cowork here on the right side. So let me walk you through the 5 capabilities areas of a Copilot Cowork. So the first one is communication. So you can draft, send emails, and post the updates in Teams channels, and also create a HTML newsletter, and even manage your inbox by sorting emails into the folders. And the second important thing is what here you can see that Copilot Cowork have capability to arrange your week, prepare for the meeting, and if you click on this show more, you can see more options which are possible by the Cowork. You can see here the research, you can create a meetings, automate the stuff, everything is now available in the Cowork. So Cowork uses specialized skill as it works, and when it loads a new skill during your conversation, the skill shows up in the side panel. So you can see that whatever the skills you're just seeing, whatever the thing which you're trying to do, that will show up in the side panel. Okay, this is the panel that you can find it here. You can find all your tasks here, and you can also schedule your task like at what time exactly you wanted to run this particular task, and you can see that. And if you wanted to customize more, you have plugins, skills, and many more options available in Cowork. So if you just go to the skills, you can see, you can read, create, manipulate the PDF documents, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, HTML, calendar management, daily briefing, meetings, scheduling, communication, all are here for you in the Copilot Cowork. So this is what really helps with the Copilot Cowork. Let us talk about the licensing part, prerequisites. Before diving into the complete course of this, you should know what are the requirements. You should have an active M365 Copilot license assigned to your account. So here you can see this is a premium account. So this is not available for the free Copilot chat. You need to be a paid M365 Copilot license user. And then the second part is Cowork enabled in your M365 Copilot environment. An admin side setting is required for this. The third one is the usage based and the Cowork billing has been enabled. It's a license plus consumption based billing, not purely flat rate. Fourth, Anthropic enabled it. You can see here that in the Cowork you have Anthropic enabled, Claude Sonnet, Claude Opus, and Anthropic. Like Cowork uses Anthropic model as a subprocessor. This is a great talking point. Cowork runs on Anthropic's Claude, and the tenant admin must approve the Anthropic as a subprocessor. Many viewers won't know this. So this is very important that in you can use the Copilot in all the Microsoft ecosystem. So here you can see that this is your homepage. Once if you click on the M365 Copilot chat, you can find the Cowork here. Just go ahead and start with the first one. Just click on this next. It will go and give you the organize your inbox. So whatever your prompts are, just try to utilize it in a better way so that it will help you out. So one thing which I wanted to tell you that instead of send an email, try send an email to the marketing team summarizing last week's campaign results and format the summary as a PDF. What happens here? It will properly summarize this and also make it as a PDF for you. So this is what completely Coworks does. So you can see here it is doing some stuff for you, and in the right side you can find a complete thing what it has planned for you. So you can see here reviewing your recent email. It is now reviewing my recent email. This is my first part. And what happens? The next one, it will summarize the inbox, total, all these things, the manager email, urgent email, everything. And try each email one at a time and offer a review order email for you. And this is what Copilot does. Okay. So here you can see that Copilot Cowork is giving me a detailed summary for this. So this is a promotional. So I got, like if you just go ahead and see, this is my inbox is all about total 3 emails and which are 100, and in last 24 hours I got these things. So here you can see this is a promotional sales outreach. That's a 2, or automated notification 1 from manager management chain 0, and urgent high importance 0. So you can see that these are the 3 emails, and these are the proposed triage for that. You have screened 1 CVs for data analyst role. Want to hear them talk? So all these things it is giving me for analysis. So here you can see that it is also following up whether I have to delete it or archive it or skip and leave it. So if I click delete and click submit, so what happens? It will go and start working on it. So you approve deleting. So here it is showing you approve deleting the Flamingo's email, sales email, Flamingo sales email, deleting it now. So it is asking you whether it can delete it or not. If I click delete, so this email will be deleted from your inbox since you have approved it. So it is also giving you when it is created and how it is created. And then it is also showing the second email because it is organizing your email for you. So now message from Zoho if you want to archive it or skip it or delete it. So if I click archive it and click submit, it will show you that what it is trying to do for that particular email. So this phase is what triaging. So here you can just click move, or else if you click on this drop down, always allow move messages. So whenever you are trying to archive it, if you wanted to archive without asking, so you can simply click archive allow moving message, like archive always allow move this message. If you click this, it will always move it, or if you don't click and if you are simply clicking move, it will ask you whenever it is trying to archive it. So this is done, and it will also the complete thing is done for you. It has organized. So the third one, it is asking you message 3 SharePoint whether you have to archive or delete or skip it. Just I'm clicking skipping or leaving it, so it will skip. Okay, got it. It has skipped. So this is, and also it is giving you the follow-up message that you have screened one. This particular email has been deleted, and you can see that the second one Zoho people that have been archived, and the third one your Teams meeting recording left in the inbox itself. So, and in the next video, I'll be telling you how you can start with your first task, that is step by step, how you can open it, how you can create an MD file, and how you can make it even more better with the Copilot Cowork. So comment below if you wanted to start it immediately.